Welcome to the first stop of the fireworks journey! Currently on the way to Prism Fireworks. It is June 17th? 21st. I'm smart. But we are on the way to Prism Fireworks. That'll be it for this update. See you next. We're getting off the expressway. Driving.
Denise, we're getting off the expressway.
Yes, we
driving. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're going left? A left turn? Adventurous.
Mom, what are your thoughts?
I hope we make a right next. That'll just send me in a tizzy. I'll be all goosebumps.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not a showroom.
Yeah, this is just like Carol.
This is not just like Carrollton. Carrollton's size is that. It is open.
Okay. Let's take it down a level.
What do you mean? I don't know what he means.
Make a bubble.
More back to you on when we're purchasing them. So we have just exited the showroom. We have lots of
Make sure you say
nice
the price.
fireworks.
Alright, Dane, unload.
$680, $185?
Can't unload anything.
Woo, fun fireworks. Lots of fun fireworks. More details when we get home. Mom, your thoughts?
Oh my gosh, how did that happen? I never added it all up.
Tony, your thoughts?
I spent less than both of you.
No, you didn't. You spent much more than me.
Not much. Your mom spent twice as much of both of us. Yours was bad. New gas? I have no idea, but I'd go with Lakers personally since you're going to drive by it. This is a madhouse.
Okay, what did we come here for?
Well, we couldn't go out that way because of the meeting,
And
so.
she wanted to get gas.
Oh, okay. What's up, you guys? My name is Dane. Obviously, you know who I am. That was slightly cocky. Anyways, we are going to continue the series on the fireworks. I'm going to show you what is in store for this year's show. It's going to be amazing. It's the most we've ever bought. Oh god. Anyways, so I'm going to switch the camera around. And I'll give you a view firsthand, and I'll give you any knowledge I know of the fireworks that we have. Alright guys, so we're going to start with some of the novelty items we have. We have here 2 packages of outer space craft. These are 2-stage. They shoot showers of sparks. They emit showers of sparks, so they kind of fly off the ground and do that. They are some good fireworks. From what I have heard, I have never used these particular ones before. Moving on down the line, have these are Challenger fireworks, by the way. I like them. Moving on down the line, we have this Japanese company. Anybody, if you, Lauren, Katie, Gabby, any of you guys, Thomas, if any of you guys can translate Japanese, I would appreciate that. But anyways, these are aircraft carriers, and you put them on the water, so we're going to put them on the lake. And you get, as you can see there, you get 2 pieces. And they shoot planes everywhere, and they make noise and fun stuff. Next on our novelty items list, this is a family favorite. It has been for a long time. World-class fireworks ground bloom flowers. These spin around. I will insert a video of these right about now. That video was definitely informing. But yeah, those are the Grand Bloom flowers. I have 2 boxes, and so 24 tanks. These things are really neat. So yeah, those things kind of roll forward and they fire missiles, really. These are the ladybugs. They kind of spin on the ground and they fly up in the air and make really loud noises. I love those. Okay, next on the list. Sorry about all the shaking. American Thunder whistling red, white, and blue colored rockets. These, we have 288 of them. We'll see how those go off. That'll be fun. 36-inch sparklers. I got 2 packs of those. Those things are amazing. We're going to get on down here. We have a pack of bottle rockets that I actually obtained for free. Those are 12 rockets there. Those are neat. These things, these are the Aqua Swan. We have never purchased these rockets before, but they do seem to be promising. So, I mean, look how long they are. Anyways, on to the next. We are on the fountain section now. Sorry, I forgot that was the bottle rocket section. Now we're on the fountain section. This is a fountain called Lava Lamp. Emits showers of sparks. Sorry about that short delay. Thanks. We're back to the fountain section. This is Big Snow. Again, emits showers of sparks, shoots flaming balls. And now we're on to the Cloud Dragon. We have 2 of these nice fountains. Again, same description. Now we're on to the second best in my opinion. Snow Cone. Emits showers of sparks. Shoots showers of icy, hot, shimmering silver crystals. Yeah, we'll see if that description's accurate. This is a fountain, believe it or not. The Barrel of Fun. There's the description. Emits showers of sparks. I believe that this is going to be a very, very fun fountain. Now we're on to the small cake section. We have 2 little 200-gram cakes. We have Evil and Dark Ghost. Those are both 9-shot cakes. 7-shot cake, adults only. Maybe I should have known this. 7 shots. Another 7-shot cake is Space Chase. Space Chase is a very powerful cake, despite its small but decently small size. World-class fireworks. Other fireworks are good. Now we are on to the Lunatic. That's right. Yeah. I don't think there's any description that needs to be said. Here we go, performance. Red tail to white glitter with red star, blue tail to white glitter with blue star. So, that's a neat combo. Global warning, this is the one that almost tried to kill me 2 years ago. It was sitting like this, it was firing, and it decided, hey, I'm just going to flip this way and fire at your guys' face. That was fun. Anyways, that's global warning. We are on to still small size cakes. Saturn missile batteries. These things are fun as crap. I will post a video along with this one, like right about now. That was pretty amazing. So, now we are going to move on to the medium-sized cakes. I suppose we'll start at the bottom. This is a Buckeye Blaster. This is a new cake for Prism this year. This thing will probably be interesting. You can read the performance label there. Both of these 3 cakes I've had before, and I love all of them. Combat Zone, Savage Blaster, and America Rocks. Those cakes are awesome. Now we are on to the big cakes. We're going to start with the 12-shot Hocus Pocus. You can see how big my hand is in relative to this cake. This cake is big. This 12-shot cake was made by Prison. And, yeah, so that'll be fun. Next on down the list is the Baja Blaster. This, you can see how big this one is in my hand. This one's huge. And then last one is Sky Escapade. You can see how big it is. It's extremely large. Anyways, so we're gonna move on to the next one, which in my opinion is going to be a crowd pleaser. Jumbo Happy Face shells. These shells happen to look like that when they go off. And they are pretty much just your typical artillery shell. There's your description. Next on the list is Happy Festival balls. These, I have no idea what they're going to do, but they should be interesting. You can see it's a pretty small shell. I can hold that one in my hand. Okay, now we're on to the Whistling Crackling Combo Kit. This has six shells, and as you can see, they kind of like fall down and they crackle and they whistle. It's kind of, you know, good. Okay, next one, Wolverine artillery shells. These just go boom and make pretty effects. That's all these do. All of them. Okay, now we're on to some of my artillery shells. These are bigger. These are nicer. American Thunder. 12 shells in that, and it's quite nice. It has all of those effects, if you can read them. Strobing stars. This is a 6-shot set. That's kind of what they look like. And that's what the shells look like. Next, we have a double Renegade's Revenge. We got 2 of these because we loved them so much last year. These shells were amazing, and so that's going to be great in this show. The Baja Triple Break shells. This is amazing. You'll light one and there'll be 3 explosions. That'll be great. There's still, and then the final, one of the final pieces, Liberty Enraged, double and triple set. So, that's pretty much the whole show. I'll give you a zoom, I'll give you a zoom out on it now, and like a panorama of all the fireworks, and we'll run over them one more time, just so you can see them. So thanks for watching. That'll be it for now. The whole show should be filmed, so we'll see. Alright, give me a response to this via text. You know my number, and thanks. Bye-bye.